Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is brand new to our lot. Let's take a look at it. You've got a remote entry keypad here, blind spot mirrors, power window controls, power mirror controls, leather armrest on the door sill here, cloth interior, manual powered seats for both passenger and driver. You've also got a center console third row seat. So you can jump inside the truck. Halogen headlights. You get your infotainment screen here with trip and fuel, towing, off-road, and vehicle settings. Cruise control on the left and then hands-free on the right with media controls. Up top you've got traction control, four-way flashers, and auto start-stop. Your Sync 3 sound system with built-in 4G hotspot, Ford Pass Connect, satellite radio, and many other features. You have a locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, as well as a trailer backup assist. Climate controls are in the center console here. You get 2 USB ports just down there and a 12-volt outlet. You have another 12-volt outlet just over here. This is the center console seat. Folds up just like that, and then folds back down when you don't need it. If we take a look at the back here, 4x4 badge. You've got your chrome rear bumper. Spare tires just under there. You've also got a trailer hitch setup. Truck bed with the option to put a spray-in or a drop-in bed liner in. Getting into the back seat, you've got cloth seating in the rear. Folds up for more extra storage on the floor here. Down in the center console, you've got a 12-volt outlet. You've also got cup holders for your rear passengers. This truck just came off the truck, so a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. You've got lots of room back here, dome light up top. And if we take a rough look at the front here, you've got a chrome front bumper, chrome grille, halogen headlights and fog lights. You've got tow hooks up front with accessories for plowing as well. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today, talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.